Hi, I'm Stephen Shaw and I'm the face of manufacturing, and here's my story. It all started at the age of 8, probably before then, working with my dad in the shop. We had a lot of classic cars. He was a body man, so he would teach us the trade of sanding, priming, buffing, sanding, more sanding, and it was always a joy to work on cars. But what I found more fascinating was the mechanical components of the vehicle. The engine, the suspension, transmission, and that kind of carried me through the years. I always would badger my dad for a lathe ever since I knew how to pronounce it. I thought it was the greatest invention in the world because you can make rocket engines. As a kid, I was fascinated with pyrotechnics. My brother and I were always riding dirt bikes, four-wheelers, driving the tractor, and I think that's true with most boys in Georgia. And even girls. I know a lot of girls who ride dirt bikes just as well as guys. So we had a good time, and something mechanical was always in our lives. And I think doing manufacturing as a career is just falls right along stride with that. Spring semester of freshman year at college, I got a call from my robotics teacher and engineering teacher. And he said that there was an internship available in my hometown of Noonan, Georgia, for a machinist apprentice. He had known, the entire time that I was in his engineering class that I was obsessed with all the machinery in there, and so he thought I was the perfect candidate. And boy, was he right, because I immediately called the owner of the company, and we talked for a good 45 minutes about how much we love machining and how great it is, and I was pretty confident I had them sold. So everyone's seen the pictures of like Rosie the Riveter, and in World War II, everyone's like working their fingers to the bone, doing the same task over and over. What I do is nothing close to that. I get to try out things and do different types of things all day long. Designing things, I would have never considered that part of manufacturing, but it is. I'm so thankful for Pam and Scott Brown for providing me the opportunity to be a part of manufacturing and robotics, and sort of showing me the way into a career in manufacturing. People always ask me, since I'm 22 years old and I'm finishing up school on my undergrad in engineering, and they always ask me, what do you want to do when you graduate? And well, this is it.